Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Naked Reloaded palette from Urban Decay. So this is the palette. It looks like it has like gold lettering, and I'm so excited for this palette. And these are the shades. Oh, these colors are so nice. A lot of neutrals, a couple of pink shades, a lot of mattes and shimmery colors. Super pretty. I feel like this palette is perfect for like transitioning from winter to spring, because you still have some deeper colors but you have a lot of lighter neutral colors and pink tones. So I'm so excited to try this palette out for you guys. So let's get started. So I'm going to start out by applying some primer to my lid. So I'm just using a little bit of concealer for this on a brush, and I'm just going to spread this across my lids. So one of the things that I do notice about this palette versus the other Naked palettes, because I have the Naked 3 palette, is that there's not a brush in this one, and a lot of the Naked palettes usually come with like a brush that's just like here. Like the palette's usually, I guess, a little bit bigger, and there's usually a brush there, but there's not on this one. But yeah, so that's about one of the differences that I see. So I'm going to start out by just applying a light shade into my crease. So I'm using the shade Bribe, which is like a matte whitish creamy color, and just applying this right into my crease. I think I'm going to do a cut crease today. I haven't done one in a while on here, so I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to mix the shades Bucked and Blur, which are two other matte shades, and I'm adding this lightly into my crease to start transitioning the colors. I feel like with this palette, next I'm going to add the shade Endgame, which is the deepest matte color in the palette, and I'm very lightly applying this. I'm just lightly tapping this onto the outer corner of my crease, and then slowly blending this in. Like a really nice shade. These eyeshadows blend so nicely, which is expected of Urban Decay. Urban Decay is usually pretty good, super blendable, and really pigmented. And then I'm going back into the shade Buck, and then lightly tapping into Endgame and reapplying this with a Morphe blending brush right into my crease. Now I'm going to go back in with my concealer, and this one's from NYX, just in case you guys were wondering. Using a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to cut my crease. Now I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to add the shade Reputation, which is a shimmery color. Looks so nice. And I'm just, oh my gosh, that's so pigmented. So I'm just going to apply this to the center of my lids. This eyeshadow is already so amazing. Oh my gosh, look at that pigmentation. Like a rose gold color. It's so nice. And now I'm going to add the shade Angelfire, which is a lighter shimmery color that I'm now super excited for. And I'm applying this to my inner corner, like the inner quarter part of my lids, and I'm blending this in, and I'm blending those two shades together in the middle where they meet. Now I'm just going back in with another blending brush and blending out the edge. And now I'm going in with the shade Retro, which is like a matte peachy pink color, and I'm adding this to my lower lash line for another pop of color. So now I'm going back into the shade Bribe, and I'm going to apply this to my inner corners and also to my brow bone. And this is just a matte shade again, but I'm going to go into the shade Angelfire and top the matte shade with that. That's how the eyes look right now. Super pretty and very like light and soft, I feel like, for spring, so it's perfect. Now I'm going to just add some winged liner. now I'm just going to apply my Ardell lashes. I added some mascara as well, and I'm just going to take a small brush again, and I want to go back into the shade Retro, which was that peachy color, and I'm just reapplying this to my lower lash line. I want this color to pop a little bit more. And now the eyes are done. As you guys can see, I do have all my face makeup done. I'm going to apply my highlighter. So today I'm using the Urban Decay Afterglow palette. It looks like this. It has 4 shades. I also forgot to mention the eyeshadow palette does have a mirror. I'm just seeing the mirror in this one, so it made me think of that. I'm going into the shade Bliss, and I'm just applying this for my highlight. For my lips, I'm using the NYX. Why is there a plane? Okay, I think it's gone now. So as I was saying, I'm going to be using the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural, and I'm just going to line my lips. So for lipstick, I'm using the Urban Decay Cream Lipstick in the shade Naked, and it's just a nice pink nude color, and I'm going to apply this right over top of my lip liner. One last thing, I'm just using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Overall, I really like this palette. So it's super pretty. The packaging itself just is so nice. The colors I feel are perfect for every day. So if you're looking for a new everyday neutral color palette, this would definitely be a great option for you. I feel like these colors are so wearable. You can really build them up and make the look more smoky, or you can keep it really soft and light. I love the fact that you have the options to add these little like pops of pinks and rose gold colors. I think that really is great for spring too. So spring means more videos and video ideas for you guys, so I'm gonna have a couple of spring makeup looks, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys have any requests for any kind of makeup looks that you guys want me to do, or if you have any products that you want to try out and you want me to review for you guys, let me know in the comments below and I will try my best to do them. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video where I reviewed the new Kylie Cosmetics loose setting powders, so make sure you guys go check that out, especially if you're interested. I think she's actually going to do a restock on those soon, so you can check that review out before you purchase them if you want. And yeah, so you guys can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz, so make sure you go follow me on there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!